We know that the cost alone of an ambulance ride to the hospital and getting checked out by emergency crews can cost you thousands of dollars. That's why this morning the attorney is in joining us. We're taking questions, of course, on your car accidents. Attorney David E. Gordon is here with all of your answers. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Darcy.
Got lots of great questions for you this morning. We're going to get started with Rita out of Germantown. She says she's 25 years old. She was involved in a serious accident last summer. She had back surgery as a result, and now the insurance company is offering her $25,000 plus $10,000 in reimbursement of her health insurance. What do you think, David?
Well, I think what she's asking me to do is evaluate the offer. And based on what I'm hearing, she is being taken advantage of in a terrible way. You know, a person 25 years old is going to have problems from that surgery to some degree for the rest of her life. You know, we consider that a permanent condition. So she's to be compensated for the next 60 years. That's her life expectancy, another 60 years. So she is being treated horribly by the insurance company, and she needs to get a lawyer to look at that for her.
Okay, good advice there, David. We got Morris out of North Memphis who says he fractured his ankle in a wreck last month, was taken to the hospital the same day, but now he needs an orthopedist and he does not have any insurance. What advice can you give him?
Well, we know this is a problem because a lot of people don't have health insurance. So what happens when you're in an accident and you need a specialist? You know, you can go to the hospital without insurance, but it is difficult to get specialty treatment from an orthopedist or a neurologist or even a psychiatrist. So most lawyers have relationships with physicians who will treat their clients in these situations.
Okay.
So she needs to see if she can find somebody to help her get that treatment. I mean, my office can do it, and we're not the only office that can.
Okay, we got Virginia out of South Memphis lastly. She says that her son was at the Med for more than a week following a bad car accident, and it was not his fault, but the Med sent him a certified letter claiming a lien on her home of $40,000. Can the Med do this?
Well, that's the interesting thing about that, Darcy, is that a lot of people think when they get that certified letter from the Med that the lien is on their home. But actually, the lien is on their claim. It's only on their personal injury claim. It's not on their home, it's not on their job. But still, $40,000 is pretty overwhelming. So it's good to know that the Med's claim, their lien, is only up to 1/3 of the settlement. So let's say this person gets a settlement of $50,000. The Med cannot have 40 of it. They can only have 1/3 of 50, which I think is $16,666.
Great questions. David, thank you so much for joining us. Obviously, these are the kind of questions that if you need some answers, you need to contact an attorney and do it quickly. Someone just like David E. Gordon if you have to. Thank you so much, David.
My pleasure, Darcy.